Morning to all of you. Welcome back in Shri Ganesh online education series. Dear students, till yesterday we have completed question answers of chapter number 9, Pratapgarh makes history. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 10, Baji Prabhu and the memorable battle of Ghodkhind. Okay, so all will open your textbook, page number 37, chapter number 10. Okay, so in this we are going to see 2 points. First one is Shivaji conquers Panhala, Adil Shah gets angry. Okay, this one is our first point. Shivaji conquers Panhala, Adil Shah gets angry. Now do you know what is meant by conquers? Conquer means to win or to capture. See here, you can see here word meaning. Conquer, to win or to capture. Okay, so see, Shivaji captured Panhala, Adil Shah gets angry. See now, while Bijapur was still mourning the death of Afzal Khan and the complete rout of his army, Shivaji captured the Panhala fort from the Bijapur garrison. See, while Bijapur was still mourning the death of Afzal Khan, Shivaji killed Afzal Khan, that we have learned in the last chapter. Okay, now what is meant by mourning? See, mourning means sorrow or condolence. Sorrow or condolence. Death of Afzal Khan and the complete rout of his army. Shivaji captured the Panhala fort from the Bijapur garrison, and in that Shivaji captured Panhala fort. Which one? Panhala fort. Okay, which was in the garrison of Bijapur. Means garrison means it was in control of Bijapur. See, this threw Adil Shah into a fit of wild rage. This threw Adil Shah into a fit of wild rage. Means because of this, Adil Shah become very angry. Rage means, see, rage means anger. Okay, because of this, Adil Shah become very angry. He could neither eat nor sleep, and because of this, he could neither eat or nor sleep. He dispatched another Sardar, and so he dispatched another Sardar. Dispatch means to send. He sent another Sardar, named as Siddhi Johar. What is his name? Siddhi Johar, against Shivaji. Siddhi Johar had a huge army with him, and Shivaji Maharaj had a huge army with him. Fazal Khan, who wanted to avenge his father's death, also accompanied him. See, Afzal Khan's son Fazal Khan, and so Adil Shah dispatched new Sardar Siddhi Johar, and along with who went? Fazal Khan, because he also want to take avenge of his father's death. Now, do you understand this much? Okay, so now second point is the siege of Panahalgarh. Siege of Panahalgarh. The siege of Panahalgarh. See, Siddhi Johar was brave but ruthless. Siddhi Johar was brave but he was ruthless. What is meant by ruthless? See, first one, siege meaning is remain. Siege means army surrounded a fort. Means, see, the siege of Panahalgarh, for Panahalgarh fort, army is surrounded to Panahalgarh fort. So that is called siege. Now ruthless. Ruthless means no compassion for others. No compassion for others. Like this. Who was? Siddhi Johar. He was a strict and disciplinarian. He laid siege to Panahalgarh and confined Shivaji with the fort and confined Shivaji with the fort. The rainy season was approaching and Shivaji thought that once the rains come, see, rainy season was approaching means after some days rainy season was going to come, and what Shivaji thought that once the rains come, Siddhi Johar would leave the siege, and Siddhi Johar, what will happen? He will leave the siege, means he will remove his army from the Panagarh. But Siddhi Johar did nothing of the kind. Siddhi Johar did nothing of the kind means nothing he did like this. What he did? On the contrary, with the arrival of the monsoon, on the contrary means on the opposite it, what is Siddhi did? He further tightened the siege, and he further tightened the siege means he increased the siege. Supplies in the fort were running out. See, supplies in the fort were running out means whatever food grains, again clothes, whatever necessary things were those, all those things were going to finish. Shivaji was in a fix, because Shivaji was in a fix, since he could not force Siddhi Johar to lift the siege by an open battle. See, Shivaji was unable to battle with the Siddhi Johar. He decided to deceive Siddhi Johar by a clever ruse. What Shivaji decided? To deceive Siddhi Johar. Deceive means to cheat. To deceive Siddhi Johar by a clever ruse. What is meant by ruse? Trick or clever plan. You can see here. Trick or a clever plan. He sent a message to Siddhi Johar to the effect that he would shortly surrender the fort. What he sent message to Siddhi? That he would shortly surrender the fort. And so Siddhi was happy. So Siddhi Johar was happy. Now see another paragraph. Siddhi's troops were already tired of the long siege, and Siddhi's troops, they were already tired because of the long siege. They were very pleased to hear that Shivaji agreed to surrender, and these people feel very happy that Shivaji is going to surrender now. They relax the watch and indulge in food, drink and music. See, and what these people did, they relax to watch again and indulge in food, drink and music. Means indulge means see, do something for pleasure. What they did? Food, drink and music for their pleasure, like this. Do you understand? The siege of Panagarh. Okay. So like this, Shivaji Maharaj was totally in their control. He was unable to fight with Siddhi Johar because of his army was more than Shivaji's army, and his army was very powerful. So what Shivaji Maharaj decided? Shivaji Maharaj decided that we have to fight with Siddhi Johar, not physically. We have to fight mentally. Means what we have to do? We have to do something different. So Shivaji Maharaj decided to deceive Siddhi Johar, and he made a plan. Okay. So what plan he made, that we are going to see in the next period, next chapter. Sorry, this chapter, next period. Now today's your homework. See your homework. These 2 points name you are going to write in your notebook. Then word meanings. These word meanings are 8. These all 8 word meanings you have to write twice in your notebook. How many times? Twice means 2 times. Okay. And see, one more good news to all of you. We are going to call your parents. Okay. And we are going to call you one by one in the school to check your homework notebooks. Okay. So be ready and complete your notebooks properly. Okay. Thank you very much.